Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamie here. Today I have an unboxing of the new IPSY Glam Bag X. I just got it. I wasn't planning on shooting a video. I've had a really crazy day, but I wanted to pop on here and just show you guys what I got because I'm so excited about it and I think it'd just be a really good video. So here it is. It's in this purple box that showed up. And so this is $50 or $55. I'll leave the information down below, but this is their new subscription box that they just launched this month that's loaded with awesome goodies. So I am so excited to dig into it. I know these videos don't do that well on my channel, but whatever. This is for my enjoyment. So hopefully you guys like it. If you don't, not a big deal. But anyway, so kicking it off, I've got this, it came with this Glam Bag X like newspaper in here, which is pretty cool. It's got Patrick Ta on it. It talks about all the products in the box a little bit. This is pretty cool. Awesome. So maybe we'll use this to follow along, but let's just dig in. I don't have much time. I got to take my daughter to cross country here in just a minute. So I added some add-ons too, so we had to figure out what my add-ons are. But this is a Complex Culture plush powder brush. I don't remember adding this on. Maybe I did. So here it is. I love these brushes, so I am in no way complaining about this. So, oh my gosh, it's like the fluffiest, most awesome blush. Oh my gosh, can I talk today? It's the most awesome brush. Wow. Anyway, these are normally like 55 bucks or something crazy like that. So I got it. I don't know if it's part of this or part of my add-ons, but I'll let you guys know what my add-ons were, but I don't think this was one of them. This was one of them. So this is like a $3 add-on. I added on this little Farrah brush, so I can always use blush brushes like this. I love these, and the Farrah ones are nice. Plus I love the tapered handle here. It's really nice. It's not too weighty, but it's nice. This one's definitely more weighty and substantial. It's like 55 bucks. I think this is like probably regularly $20 or something, but still like $3 for this. And this, yeah, no complaints whatsoever. There's another Complex Culture item in here. Oh yeah, I remember seeing this. This is definitely part of the box. So it's this awesome complexion culture tool. So it's like this massage tool for your face. It's a cool bar. It's like a cross T bar you see there. It's really nice and weighty. Oh, and I like that it's cooling with the bar, and you can just massage your face with this. And this, it has a MSRP of $58 for this item. So then this was an add-on. I got these satin scrunchies as an add-on, and I think this was like $3 also, maybe $5. Well, I think there's 5 scrunchies in here. It says ×5. So I just wanted these because I want to be able to like wrap my hair when I wear it to bed. I want to do the curls with the robe, where you wrap the robe thing, the heatless curls, you wear them at night, but I needed like some kind of satin or silk scrunchie, and silk scrunchies are so much, so I decided I'd buy these satin ones for such a good steal. So I think was that part of the, I'm so confused here. This is my fault, sorry guys. Oh no, this actually I think was something I added on. So I added, or no, this was something that was in the box. This was part of the box. It was a choice item. I chose this. So I also chose this, which is an air texture spray, because I just thought it was a cool option and I didn't really love the other options. So I really wanted to try this one. And so let's give it a try here. You're supposed to hold the can 6 to 8 inches from head and spray in. It doesn't say shake it up or anything. So this is ballsy. Okay, I definitely can feel the texture in there. The scent is not like overwhelming at all. I can barely smell any scent. Is that all white? Ooh, it's all white. That's great. Now I get to work that out. But so it must be like a dry shampoo slash texture spray in one if it's leaving such a white cast. So you definitely can feel like the volumizing and the texture. So cool. It doesn't really smell. It doesn't smell at all, which is really odd. I just figured it would. But it's by the company AIIR. I'm assuming that's air, but spelled funky. So, and then this was a value of $28. And I guess the scrunchies were a value of $12. Then I added this on. This is another Farrah brush, just like that other little the last little one I showed you is another $3 brush. This could be like a foundation brush. It's a flat kabuki. I don't know how much that value's at, but we will look it up. Then I got the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, the remastered version. So this was part of the standard box, and this has a retail value of $65. So excited. So I'll open that in just a moment, but let's just kind of cruise through these things. I got to take my daughter to practice, but I wanted to get this video filmed because I thought this was exciting. So Patrick Ta blush, the Monochromatic Moment Velvet blush. I have mine in the color She's Adorable, and this is an MSRP of $32. So I lied, I'm not opening the Huda Beauty palette, but I am opening this just because I'm really excited. Oh, so it's this really pretty, like peachy but somewhat shimmery shade. I don't know if you can really see it. It's right there. It has a little bit of a shimmer. It's not flat. It's got a little teeny gold flecks. You can see in that, but I'm really excited about that. I've always wanted that. I've got the cream blush combos, but I just wanted that one. Then I got the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes Mascara, which I'm also so excited about because this I've wanted. I love this mascara. It's my favorite all-time mascara. So to have an extra one of these, it's a $30 value. Yes, yes, this is awesome. So good. Then I got this Babe Lash. So Babe Lash is like a lash growth serum. And this is, let's see, this is valued at $120, and I use the lash growth serum. I use New Lash right now, and so I figured I would give this one a try for 120 bucks, you know, for free. It's at least worth a try and see if I like it or not. So that's awesome. That's 4 milliliters in there. And then I got this Saints and Sinners Divine Shine Serum for your hair. So they had this. This is what I liked out of this option. This is worth $27.50, and let's see what it smells like, because that's always really important. A super light, like citrusy smell. Yeah, not annoying at all. It looks like it's pretty thick formula, just kind of checking it out. So yeah, like just a oily, like shiny hair serum, which you can see my hair's shiny. It's the look I go for, so I'm all about it. So that's cool. Excited to try that. And then the last, well, 2 things. I added this on, and then the last item from the box. So I'll just go through the add-on really quick. I added on this Illuminati Quad palette because this was like $3, and I just couldn't not add that on because look how beautiful that is. Let me do a quick swatch. I know I've got Huda Beauty, and that's gonna be way more probably impressive. Yeah, these are very much like not, they're very like top coat-ish, these metallics. But still beautiful. Let me swatch the mattes just because I'm here. Ooh, the mattes are really buttery. You know, I'm all over the place here. They were a little powdery. Okay, so matte, matte, metallic, metallic, Patrick Ta blush. Okay, awesome for $3. I don't think I could go wrong with that. And the last item in the box is this, what is the name of this brand? Oh my gosh, why doesn't it tell me what the name of the brand is? About Face. It says it really funky on there. So it's About Face, and it is a liquid lipstick, and it's in the color Last Goodnight. So this one is like a like a more of a mauvey, light mauvey color, kind of like the color of my shirt, maybe a slightly darker than my shirt. No, oddly enough, that's a pretty good match. Let's see if it really is the color it says it is. It's got this cute little doe foot applicator. I know I get in the way. Ooh, yes. So there it is. That is awesome. So I was a little bit sad because I really wanted the other color. There's like a, something about good night, last good night or something color that I really wanted. And I didn't get that one, but this one I like too. So this was a $22 value, and it's a matte lip color. So I have a gloss on right now, but it's a great match to my shirt. So really quickly. So there we go. I slapped it on really quickly. It's that color right there. I think that looks pretty good today. You know, don't mind my makeup. Like I said, I just came on here really quickly to do this for you guys. I hope you're excited. I'm super excited. I want to unbox it, and I figured why not put up a video. So let's go through it really quick. Once again, what I added on and what I actually got in the box. So I got this Babe Lash worth $120 lash serum. Then I got the mascara in the box worth $30. My favorite mascara ever. So awesome. Then I got the blush, the Patrick Ta blush, $32 value, and so excited. Perfect color. I'm couldn't be more happy about that. Then I got the massaging tool. This is $58 value. I'm excited about this too. Yes. Awesome. I could actually use that one, I feel like. Then I got the scrunchies, which I already wanted something like this, so perfect, $12 value. I got this hair oil, which I use hair oil every day, so yes, that's definitely right up my alley, and that one cost worth $27.50. Then I got the texture spray, which is great. I love this, and I'm happy to have it, and I use this stuff every day too, something just like it. I got the lip paint. Oh yeah, and this was worth $28. I got the lip paint, which you can tell I'm digging it, and this is worth $22, and it's a brand new product, so I was really excited to have this as well. I got the remastered palette, which I was so excited, $65 value here. I know I didn't open it before. I'm gonna open it right now just for a quick look, because I haven't even looked at it. I looked at it in the store the other day, and I'm really excited. So I probably won't wear these pinks that much, but really there's like two like real pinks, and then I guess like two, like these two are pretty pink topper shades, but these two pinks, and then maybe this one's more like a red, and the rest is neutral. The rest is neutral. So that is so awesome. So I'm so happy. I'm so happy with this one too. I love Huda Beauty palettes. So that's awesome. And then the last thing in my box that I got was this brush, which is interesting to me because the brush is not part of the selection. So they never told me I was getting this brush, because now I looked at it and that's not, I think, what was selected for me. I feel like I selected this, this serum, this private doctor serum or something. I feel like that was what I selected. So I'm gonna have to look that up, but ecstatic about this anyway. This is something I'll definitely use and so happy to have, and is a great value. So this is something, yes, I'll definitely use. So that is my box, and I think that's like a $450 value. I'll add it up and put it down below, but that's amazing. Amazing, they killed it. And then my add-ons were these 3 items. They were all worth $3. This one I just couldn't pass up. I just thought that's such my color story. Then these 2 brushes are great. I use these types of brushes every day, all the time, $3 a piece. I couldn't pass it up. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. I know that these aren't like much loved videos, but if you were excited about this and you stayed to the end, please give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate you so much. Thank you, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.